So we have this question from geometry. Let's see what is given to us. First of all, it is given that PC is a tangent. PC is a tangent to the circle. Correct? Apart from that, it is given that angle CTA is 30 degree and angle ACT is 50 degree. And what do we need to find out? We need to find out angle AOB. This angle we need to find out. Okay, so let's see how we can find this angle. To find angle AOB, there can be multiple ways. I am sharing my way. You can share your way in the comments. According to my method, I'll be doing some construction. I'll be joining O and C. Let's see what happens if we join O and C. As we join O and C, OC becomes the radius. OC becomes the radius of the circle. Correct? And as we know that PC is a tangent. Now we will be using one property related to tangent and circle. Let's see what is that property. So that property says the radius from the center of the circle to the point of tangency is perpendicular to the tangent line. What does that mean? That means OC will be perpendicular to PC radius, and this tangent line will be perpendicular at point C. If these two line segments are perpendicular, what will happen to the angle between them? Angle OCT will be 90 degree. Correct? So let's mark this angle in the figure. This angle will be 90 degree. Correct? If angle OCT is 90 degree, what will be angle OCA? This will be 90 degree minus 50 degree. Correct? This will become 40 degree. So let's mark this angle in the figure. This angle will be 40 degree. Now please look at triangle AOC. In this triangle, OA is equals to OC. Why? Both are radius of the circle. Yes. Now if OA and OC are equal, what does that mean? That means angle AOC is isosceles. Yes. If triangle AOC is isosceles, what will be angle OAC? Angle OAC will be equal to angle OCA. That means equals to 40 degree. Let's mark this in the figure. This angle is also 40 degree. Correct? After this step, let's jump to second part of the solution where we will try to find angle AOB. In second part, we will be looking at triangle ACT. In triangle ACT, please look at angles 50 degree and 30 degree. The sum of these two angles will be equal to the angle CAB. Correct? Yes or no? So let's write it down. Angle CAB is equal to 50 degree plus 30 degree. Why? Because we are using exterior angle property. Exterior angle property in this case. Yes. So angle CAB will turn out to be 80 degree. Let's mark this in the figure. This angle CAB is 80 degree. Now if angle CAB is 80 degree, what will be angle OAB? Angle OAB will turn out to be 80 degree minus 40 degree, which will in turn give us 40 degree. Correct? So let's mark this in the figure. This angle is also 40 degree. Now again, we will come back to the same thing that we did in the first part. Look at triangle OAB. Now this is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because OA is equals to OB. Both are radius of circle. Yes. Now if triangle is isosceles, definitely angle OBA will be equal to angle OAB equals to 40 degree. Let's mark this in the figure. This is 40 degree. Now let's jump to the final part of the solution. So let's start with the final part of the solution, that is part 3. Look at triangle AOB. Now we have two angles in it. We can find the third angle. Angle AOB plus 40 degree plus 40 degree will give us 180 degree, because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means angle AOB will turn out to be 100 degree. This will be our final answer. Angle AOB is 100 degree.